Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to backtest a trading strategy on MetaTrader 5. First, open your MetaTrader 5 platform. At the top menu, click on View, then select Strategy Tester. You can also press Ctrl and R on your keyboard to open it quickly. A panel will appear at the bottom of your screen. This is where all the backtesting setup happens. Now we begin configuring the settings. Look for the section labeled Expert. Here, you need to choose the expert advisor, also called EA, that you want to test. Next, choose the symbol and time frame. The symbol is the trading instrument, for example EUR/USD. The time frame is the chart period, such as H1 for 1-hour candles. Pick the combination that matches your strategy. After that, set the date range. This is the period you want to test your strategy on. You can choose a preset like last year, or define a custom range. It is better to choose a period that reflects real market conditions. Now move to modeling. Select every tick based on real ticks. This option gives the highest accuracy because it uses real historical data. Then set your deposit and leverage. Enter the starting balance you want to simulate and define the leverage according to your trading style. Once everything is ready, click the Start button. The test will begin, and you will see results such as trades, profit, and performance over time. Thanks for watching.